Alright guys, so while my turkey wings are in the oven, I'm going to go ahead and make me a little libation.
A who?
Libation. So today we got some, we're going to make a Manhattan. Alright, so I got some Maker's Mark, regular, Sweeth Vermouth, some bitters, orange bitter. I got some Maraschino cherries. I don't know if I said that right.
Maraschino.
Yeah, that too. Alright, so I have a chilled glass. Thank you to Hennessy. And I got, what's this thing called?
Craft ice.
Craft ice. So if you don't have craft ice, just put a couple ice cubes in there. I have a shot glass. My shaker is full of ice. And I'm going to garnish with the orange and the cherry. Alright, so first thing I'm going to do is take 2 ounces of my bourbon. Put that in my mixer. You need 1 ounce of this Sweeth Vermouth. Smell it. Oh yeah. One ounce. Alright. And then just a couple dashes of the vermouth. I mean the bitter. Couple 4 or so. Alright, so next thing I want to do, so I'm going to stir this for about 30 seconds. I'm using a skewer. This is very important, you have to stir it. About 30 seconds. This thing's getting nice and cold.
About 10 seconds.
I didn't say it. This is a Manhattan cocktail.
Okay.
All my grown and sexy stuff is in 2022. Alright, so you gotta put your top on there. Pour it. You want to garnish, put a slice of orange in there. Put that around the rim. And my wife told me I didn't know this, but you're supposed to stir it around the rim. And then I'm going to drop it in there. I'm going to go in here with one of these cherries. My hands are clean. That's it, guys. There you go. Easy cocktail at home. It's safer at home. Alright, so cheers to you guys.
Salute.
That's so nice and smooth. Guys, you gotta try this at home. If you try it, please let me know. Please leave a comment. If you don't drink, I'm sorry, I'll drink it for you. But if you do drink, make sure you make this and send me a cheers along the way. Thank you guys for tuning in with us. We'll see you guys in the next video.